Welcome to educational channel. So this chapter is compound interest. Okay, in commercial mathematics, the chapter name is compound interest. First, you will see some review of general concepts, and before going that, let me show you one website. If you want the notes or assignments material of this chapter, not only this, the different subjects, you can see the link also in description below. This is the website name. You can click on the link and you can go to that site. You'll find out class 6th to 12th. Okay, all the subject, the chapter wise, topic wise, the material and assignments are available. You can just go through it. You'll find out from there. Because to test yourself with more assignments, you need to do your self-assessment also, right? Okay, let's begin this chapter now. Compound interest. Actually, in class 8th ICSE, you already learn about simple interest. Okay, once you're perfect with simple interest, then compound interest is simple for us. And if you want more knowledge about simple interest, in the same channel you can find out class 8 ICSE simple interest chapter. Just to go through that. And to let us see some general concepts first. Okay, to understand any interest, we need to know some general concepts. The terms, if you remember, there is first one is a principle, right? So each and every topic in this compound interest, without formula how to use, and by using formula how to use, each and everything I explained. We can go through everything in detail. First, let us see some general things. So principle means this is sum, or we can take it as sum also. SUM. The money borrowed or lent out for a certain period, okay, is called principal. The whatever amount we borrowed or given lent, that is the principal. So either we can borrowed or lent if we give somebody. So we are taking and giving. These all under principal. So what are the amount are taken? And second is the interest. So here interest is nothing but that extra money paid for using others' money is called interest. So whatever the money we borrowed, for that we need to pay extra money, right? That is nothing but interest, not take from the principal. So extra money what we need to pay, okay, that is the interest. So how to take interest, everything you can see details in the problems. And amount. So when you come to the amount term, just learn the terms first. Amount is this is a sum of the principal and interest. The principal and after some period, what are the interest you get? These two together. Okay, principal plus and interest. These both together is amount. Okay. The sum of the principal and interest after a specific period is called the amount. After some period, what are the interest is calculated that we are adding with the principal, that is amount. And rate. So based on this only interest will be calculated. This is rate of interest. So generally per every 100 rupees for 1 year you will calculate the rate. Okay, interest on rupees 100 for 1 year is called the rate percent. Rate percent per annum. Rate percent per annum. So 1 year. Cent means 100. For example, if it is 12%, means for every 100 rupees after 1 year we need to pay 12 rupees. That is 12% per annum for every 1 year. For every 100 rupees, if it is 6% means 6 rupees we need to pay after 1 year for every 100 rupees. Okay. If it is 200 rupees, 2 into 6. 300 rupees means 3 into 6. That is the rate. And time. So how much time we are spending to take interest. This is the period of which your money is borrowed is called the time. So how much time you are taking, the 2 years or 5 years. This generally be in years. So n years. If it is the period for which the money is borrowed is called the time. Okay. These terms we are already using in the simple interest, and simple interest problems only learn. If you see the simple interest formula, simple interest is, this is already studied in class 8th. Okay, P into T into R by 100. P is the principal, T is the time, and R is the rate of interest. By using this, we learn already about simple interest and read problems also. And when you come to the compound interest and these formulas at the same time, so without using formula, first time explaining few problems, then by using the formula. So how to use the formulas of compound interest also will continue in this chapter. And what is the difference between these both? Generally, compound interest is interest will be more compared to simple interest. Okay, if you take 100 rupees, that means see the difference. If you take 100 rupees from the bank, same 100 rupees you are taking bank for simple interest. This for simple interest and this is for compound interest. Now after 2 years, if it is a 4% rate of interest is 4%, after 1 year 4 rupees, again after second year more 4 rupees, so 8 rupees you need to add for the principal. But when you come to compound interest, first 1 year is 4 rupees, for second year we increase because this 4 also will be added. For 104 rupees as the principal will do for second year. Okay, this all we'll see clearly in the problems. So let us continue the numerical problems first based on this compound interest. Then later on by using the formula how to solve also let us see.